Hello everyone, I'm Gitta Hutari DEWINZHA. I will explain about Microsoft PowerPoint. I will explain about Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is one of the part of software. So first I will explain what the meaning of software is. Software is a set of instruction data or program used to operate computer and execute specific tasks. It's the opposite of hardware, which describes the physical aspect of a computer. Software is generic term used to refer the application, script, and program that run on a device. It can be thought of as the variable part of computer, while hardware is the invariable part. Now, I'll explain about Microsoft PowerPoint. There is a four main part. The first one is the definition. Definition of Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful presentation software developed by Microsoft. It is a standard component of the company's Microsoft Office suite software and is bundled together with Word, Excel, and other Office productivity tools. And also, the fact of Microsoft PowerPoint is the program was created in a software company named by Forethought Inc. by Robert Gaskin and Dennis Austin, and it was released on April 20, 1897, and after 3 months of its creation, it was secured by Microsoft. And the first version of this program, when introduced by Microsoft, was Microsoft PowerPoint 2 at 1990. And it's a presentation-based program that uses graphic videos to make a presentation more interactive and interesting. And now I will explain the function of Microsoft PowerPoint. There is a 5 function. The first one is PowerPoint as an outline. PowerPoint enables presenter to display the major point about which they are talking while giving the presentation. The second is integration of multimedia. PowerPoint allows users to include image, picture, movies, or graph in the presentation they are making. The third is PowerPoint for education. It gives the opportunity to the teacher to cover the topic in a different slide. And PowerPoint for business. PowerPoint helps people in business to create a plan, structure related to the business or organization. And the last one is PowerPoint for marketing. It's adding a graph to convey your data more effectively in your sales pitch or to create a social media video. And the third is how to operate it or how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. There's a 3 part. The first one is creating a presentation. So we should choose a blank presentation or a template. So apply themes to your project at a later time after you edit content. Click the Design tab and select a theme, or access template from the File tab. Click New and then browse the available templates. And the second is create a title. For presentation, title is the first thing that audience will see. It should be easy to read and give a basic overview about the topic of the presentation. And the third is add new slide for content. You can press Ctrl+M for a new slide, and when adding a text box, click on any text box and drag to make it whatever size you like. And number 2 is jazzing it up. For jazzing it up is add a transition. You can select a slide and click the transition tab, and you will see a list of the most common transition. And then add background. For add background, you can right click on the blank section of your slide and select format background, and then add image. If you wanna add image, you can click the insert tab, and there will be a large number of options when it comes to inserting object. And then if you wanna add link, to add link, place your cursor in a text box and then click the hyperlink button on the insert tab. And the last one is you wanna embed video, click the video button in the insert tab. You will be able to browse your computer for video file. And then the third one is, or the last one is making it memorable. So keep a number of slides of minimum. External slide with a little to no content will also make the presentation drag and wear on the audience interest. And then choose a good font size. Make sure that your font choice is readable as well. And then apply a consistent subtle style. Use minimal amount of color and stylistic accent to make the presentation stand out without being garish. Or if when you in doubt, you can use one of the templates for a guide. And the last one is advantage and disadvantage of Microsoft PowerPoint. The advantage is design option. There are many templates available to be used in your presentation. Learning visually is easy. This software gives us the facility to put text, graphic, animation, and videos in the slide. And remote facility, two or more people can work on presentation at the same time, which is it can be easy. And there's a lot of shortcut. This software comes with a lot of shortcut. The disadvantage is dependent on slide. Too much time to preparing your presentation and put a lot of information in slide, then you get little time for speaking to the audience. And there's a technical issues. If you prepare your presentation on your computer and present it with someone's computer, then you may face some issues. For example, it's like there's a phone you have in your computer, but there's not available in other computer. And then the last one is change not save automatically, so you have to press Ctrl+S every time you want to save change. I think that's all that I can tell about Microsoft PowerPoint, so thank you very much.